All right, we're going to take a look at generative AI for images. This is one of the most popular applications of AI. It's a lot of fun, and two of the most popular platforms in this space are DALL-E or Dalle2, which is the latest version as we speak, as well as Midjourney. Midjourney, I would say at this point in time, is the most sophisticated of the platforms, but Adobe Firefly is also playing in the space. So we're going to take a look at Midjourney and Dalle2 in some detail and learn a bit more about how we can use text prompts to get the type of images that we want. And we do have Dalle2, which is now part of Microsoft Bing. So if you have access to the new version of Bing, you can also access DALL-E. So let's get onto the computer and learn about these different platforms to create our own AI images.
Hey, what's up everyone? We're going to take a journey and learn about the AI image generator called Midjourney. So I actually asked ChatGPT what is Midjourney, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask Bing ChatGPT what are the most popular AI image generators. If you just search for Bing DALL-E, you can find it and it's free. And they call it the image creator. It's okay. I find it's not as good as Midjourney from my experience, but I'm still learning. Let's just look up a query here. Let's just put Vancouver. Let's do another country here. Tokyo in the year 3000. Hyper realistic. So I just want to make sure you can see that too. Okay, so I got my prompt here and I've got a certain number of credits, so I'm gonna put Tokyo in the year 3000, hyper realistic drone aerial, create. Okay, so that takes a little while. So the competitor is Midjourney. So Bing ChatGPT came and said that Dalle2, powerful image generator, can produce realistic and imaginative images from text prompts. It can add AI elements or to real photos or expand on existing images. Okay, I've done past videos on this. There's Midjourney, a community-based image generator that lets users share and explore AI-generated images from text prompts. It allows users to vote on their favorite images to see how others interpreted the same prompt. It offers unlimited free use, but it requires registration to access all features. I actually paid $10 for my Midjourney. So this is my Midjourney here. And yeah, I'll show you some of my art. I'll give you a demonstration. So when you sign up to Midjourney, Tom's Guide also has some good tips here. You're gonna need to pay, and then you're gonna select the server. So I paid about $10 US, and let me just take you to the main site here. Wow, look at this one. So you can see the prompts that they're using here. Blonde goddess wearing black and gold low-cut dress, flirty pose. Mech cyborg made of pure white ceramic and golden 2050s technology. Made wife material. Really interesting to see the prompts. So that's the gold. Figuring out these prompts, and then you can actually borrow some of the prompts here. So look at this one. Young woman in jean shorts at concert in the style of Zeiss Bati 18 millimeters f2.8 golden light. So they're even describing photography or video jargon. So aperture and the focal length of the lens barrel to get very granular into what they want. All right. So that's the Explore feature. Okay, so this is the main site that everyone will see at the beginning. Then you go to sign in. Okay, go to Discord. Okay, so here we are. This is the main view. So what you got to do is you actually have to choose a channel. So I select newcomer rooms, newbies 32. And then this is the prompt here. You need to press / and type imagine. And then this is where you type in what you want. So I'm going to put exactly what I put in Bing Dalle, Tokyo in the year 3000 hyper realistic drone aerial. Then I'll press enter, and you can see here it says waiting to start. And yeah, this can take a while, but you can actually take a look at other people's art on Midjourney in the same channel, and you can actually, if you see something you like, you can actually copy their description and then just replace it with the type of art that you want. So you can see what they use here. For example, a symbol for desert garden, simple icon, 2D, small HD. There's nothing else here I really like, but you can see what happens when Midjourney generates the images. So you get U1, U2, U3, U4, which means upscale. So it means make a higher quality version. So U1 is in this quadrant here. U2 is this one. U3 is in the bottom left. U3 is in the bottom right. V1, V2, V3, V4 are variations. So you can create variations of the existing image. And this is what it looks like when you upscale an image. You just get the single image and you can make variations of that, or you can just bring that to a browser where you can save it. So let's see if my Tokyo image is finished. Yes. Okay, so I like the one on the very first one. So I'm going to press U1 to upscale that. So I actually have to scroll down to see my job, which is being created. So this is the confusing part. It's not the most user-friendly interface. And I believe people on the channel can see this, but then this part here says only you can see this, but it looks like I can see other people's prompts. So maybe it's just the actual job that they can't see, or upscaling. I'm not completely sure. So just so you know, you can't do anything explicit. If you're trying to do anything like adult material or some keywords like sexy, you can't do that. It's yeah, there are some guardrails in place, probably for good reason. So I'm just waiting for my Tokyo image to upscale, and I can show you how I save it. In the meantime, I'll show you some other ones I created. So this is the Mandalorian. This is an upscale image, so you can just right click here and then save it. And you'll get a beep when your image is finished rendering if you've gone on to do something else. So the format that you get the photos in are in PNG, and they're about 1 megabyte. Okay, let's take a look at my Tokyo image. Okay, So here it is. So I can open this in the browser and I can save as. So that's my image. It's 1.5 megs. It's a PNG. So it's decent quality, but it's not a huge file. So that should give you a quick start guide to getting set up with Midjourney. So I'm still experimenting, and I can tell you it's pretty addicting once you get started, because it's super cool being able to create anything that you can think of, but you really got to get specific if you want to get exactly what you want. So hopefully this gives you some examples, and look forward to doing a follow-up once I've get more experience. But it looks like Midjourney, which we covered, and Dalle2 are two of the main players in the game.